Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be reviewing the Unice Hair Body Wave Wig in 20 inches. Unice was courteous enough to send me this wig, so I decided to put it on camera for you guys, just to show you how I install my units. Let me just start off by saying I am not a professional, so don't judge me. Here I am just showing you the unboxing of the hair. I have not done anything with it. The hair came beautifully stitched. It's amazing. It's some really good hair. It's very soft. I can run my hands through it. The wig was made to perfection. I have a very small head and this fit. So yeah, it's just a really good wig. So because I hate to have like extra glue left on my face after I install my wigs, I always take like just a regular lip pencil, eye pencil, whatever, and I just outline where I want the wig to lay before applying the glue. That just kind of helps me again just keep the extra glue off my face so there's no tacky or extraness anywhere. After that, I go ahead and I go in with 100% alcohol and I just rub the area clean before I apply the glue. This will help the glue stay tacky a little bit longer. The glue that I use is the Bold Hold active glue because I do work out and I don't want my wig lifting. I can normally go about a week to a week and a half with the Bold Hold active glue on without the wig becoming extremely sticky and just ready to be taken off. After you apply the bow hold, you want to let it sit until the bow hold turns like a clear color. After that, you are ready to go ahead and apply your wig. When I apply my wigs or my units, I don't know why people get so upset when we call it a wig. Whatever. When I apply them, I like to push it down into like the scalp, like kind of just apply a little bit of pressure. I feel like that helps it to blend in a little bit. Not really sure what I'm trying to say, but yeah, that's what I do.
channel. Hold on, let me get that out. Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this is the final install of the hair. I have not really styled it today because I've been out kind of working and just been really busy, so I haven't had a chance to really style the hair. However, I did bleach the knots and wash and condition it last night, and the hair is still extremely, like, very soft to the touch. It's like, it's really good. Again, I have not had a chance to put heat on it or install it or anything like that, but I absolutely do love the hair. It's super duper lightweight. Like, it's amazing. I've never had somebody else make my wigs, by the way. I normally do them myself. Or do y'all say units? Whatever. I usually do them myself. Like, I don't really trust anybody else to do it because my head is like super small, so therefore nobody else has really been able to kind of grip it. But as you guys seen at the beginning of the video, it does come with like several combs in them. I didn't feel the need to use the combs. I just installed it on top of a wig cap. You guys probably already saw that as well. But I guess if you aren't going to actually like use any type of bowl hold or anything to lay down the hair, then you would definitely need the combs. I guess that's what it would be for. But again, the hair is super soft. I love it. I don't have any problems with it as of right now. I will come back and do like a weekly update on it just so you guys can see. I did order a 20-inch. This is the Unice hair. Ooh, what is that on my mouth? Okay. This is the Unice hair. It's pretty long for it to be 20 inches. Like, I feel like it's a little bit longer than that. Hold on, let me turn it around. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay, but again, the hair overall, I like it. Like, I've been out in the streets like all day today, and the hair is super soft. Like, you know how normally it'll get like matted in the back? I have not had that issue. Like, it lays really good. Like, I don't have an issue with like trying to lay down the glue, because sometimes like lace doesn't really stick to the glue. Like, overall, I'm giving the hair a thumbs up. And you guys know how I feel about Amazon hair. Like, people always say, like, where do you get your hair from? I'm like, Amazon. They're like, what? I tried to order off Amazon, it wasn't a good hair. I just feel like people who say that, like, they order off Amazon and the hair came and it wasn't the best quality, sometimes that could be the case. However, the last couple times that I've ordered off Amazon, I have not had that problem. So I think it could be people just don't know how to care for the hair, because the last couple times I've ordered off Amazon, I've had the hair for more than 6 months. I have never had really like a big issue with it. So it could be people just don't know how to take care of it. With me personally, I do wash my units, wigs, whatever you want to call them. They all the same thing. I do wash it once a week. So I'll wash them and I'll condition them, not her. I'll condition them, and then I'll let it just kind of air dry. Like, I let my units air dry. Like, I don't ever blow dry them. So what I'll do is I'll wash them, I'll condition them, and then I'll let them air dry like on my door or something like that, which is what I did with this last night. I'm sorry I keep running my hands through it. It's just, you know, like, trying to get it styled it's gonna be another task for me. However, I do really like it. So I'll drop the link below. You guys feel free to click on that link. This is probably the first time I've ever really remembered the link to the Amazon account to go and look at. I'll try to style it maybe sometime tomorrow and then come back and show you guys what it looks like styled, because I know you guys are interested in that as well. The frontal, or the unit, because it's all one, it comes as one. The density on it is pretty good. Like, it's not too thick, but it's not too thin either. It's not layered. It's all 20 inches, just so you guys know. So I'll probably cut like some inches, or cut some inches. I'll probably cut like some layers into it just to kind of give myself a better, you know, look. These lashes that I do have on, the lashes are sold on my website, so that will be up soon. But for now, you guys can definitely feel free to follow Ari Jane Beauty. That is where all of the lashes will be sold. The lash line is launching January of 2020. So just to get updates or anything like that, feel free to follow Ari Jane Beauty or Ari Jane Parker, which is my personal page. But these lashes, like, get into them. I don't have on any eyeshadow, which is probably why I'm creasing up here. But what ifs? Yeah, I don't have on any eyeshadow, like, so, and I don't have on any eyeliner either. The lashes are just put on. So they're super natural. They can be worn with eyeshadow as well as without. But back to this Unice hair. The Unice hair is totally worth the purchase. So if you guys are looking for something that is affordable and is not going to break the bank, then Unice is where you want to go. Like I said, it's a full unit. It's 20 inches and it came in the mail, and it looks like it is more than freaking 20 inches. So for sure, you got my vote. You guys let me know if you have any questions below. I love you, and thank you so much for watching. Sorry. Okay, so yes, I've had this hair installed for about a day. I really do like it. This is the Unice unit in 20 inches. It definitely looks like it's longer than 20 inches. I don't know if you guys can see. It's very nice around the hairline. I didn't have to do too much plucking. Well, rarely any at all. The only thing that I did was bleach the knots, and then I installed it as you guys saw on camera. I think the unit is amazing. I did wash it and I did condition it, and I can still run my fingers through it. The hair is very soft. I don't know, like, I think it's a really good hair. Like, I did curl it. I think I took the heat up to about 410. It does hold a curl very well, like a little bit too well for you, girl. Like, I kind of like my curls to be a little bit loose, so I've been kind of running my hands through it and then like flipping it over my head and shaking, because I like my curls to be loose. Like, I don't really like tight curls. It's just not my thing. The natural state of the hair is amazing. Like, when you wash it, it does go right back up to being body wave. I know a lot of times people order hair. I know for myself, I order hair and then I get it, and the texture that it's originally in, when you wash it, it doesn't go back to its original state. So this, I didn't have that problem with this. Like, it immediately went back to its original state. Here is the lace on my scalp. I think it's some really good hair. Like I said, this is a 20 inch, and look how long it is. Like, this is with it being curled, so you can only imagine with it being straight. I was gonna straighten it. I don't know why I didn't straighten it. Anyway, it's really good. I know that a lot of times people are afraid to order from Amazon. I always order my hair from Amazon because, number one, I'm impatient, so I don't want to have to wait on AliExpress. That's my thing. And I also have Amazon Prime, so I get my stuff in 2 days. Anyway, but I've always ordered my hair off of Amazon. I have not had any issues. I know that sometimes there are reviews that say people have issues, and in my personal opinion, I feel like you want to look at the reviews before ordering on Amazon. But if you just see like a one-off, then I think it's okay. I think those one-offs are people who don't know how to care for the hair, and when you don't know how to care for your hair, of course it's going to be jacked up. Let's see. But back to the Amazon hair, I say that is because when you buy hair weave, and this is just from any company, you need to make sure that you are washing the hair, you're conditioning the hair. You need to take care of it just like you would take care of your real hair. And I think a lot of people feel like, well, it's weave, or it's Peruvian, or it's Malaysian, or whatever it could be, and they just feel like they don't have to take care of it. And that's not the case. You do. When I have my units, I wash my hair about once a week. I wash and condition and wash it once a week. I do not blow dry the unit, so I'll normally do it like on a Friday night, hang it on the door, so that way it's ready to go by Saturday. I let all of my units air dry. Like, that is just my thing. The most heat that it'll get during the week is probably like once, just because, like I said in the beginning, I really like a loose wave curl. So I'll curl the hair maybe like once a week, and then I'll just pin it up, and that'll be my curl for like the whole entire week, if not more, because I don't need like a lot of curl. The one thing that I can say is that the hair is the same length all over, so you do not get like the 20, 18, 16 type of thing. You are getting 20 inches all over, including the frontal. The frontal is the same length as the rest of the hair. It's pretty good. I really do like it. Now, me personally, I'll probably cut a little bit of layers into it. I haven't done so yet because I think the unit is just so pretty and I really don't want to touch it. But if y'all can just get into this action here. The hair is totally worth the buy. Like, I absolutely love it. I know you guys always ask me where I get my hair from, how do I install it, and boom, now we are here. I'll make sure I link the link below so you guys can definitely check that out. I haven't had any problems. I'll make sure I come back and do like a weekly update. I did sleep on the hair last night, so I got a little bit drunk and I forgot to put a scarf on, and as you guys can see, it's still just fine, so don't worry about that. But yeah, I mean, if you guys have any questions on the video itself, then just let me know. Oh my gosh, I am breaking out. I had soda. Okay. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. But I do think that this is an amazing product. I'm not being paid to say this. If the hair was not good quality, I would let y'all know because I would want somebody to let me know. But yeah, I mean, it's really good. It's really good hair. Unice, I've heard so many great things about them. So to actually try the hair, I think it's amazing. You know, I would definitely recommend the hair to my peoples. So y'all go check that out if y'all looking for some affordable hair. Once again, this is a wig. I think the wig is retailing right now for about 180 bucks, which is not bad. When I buy hair off of Amazon, I keep the hair for about 6 to 10 months before I actually change it out with another wig. So you gonna get your bang for your buck with this, okay? Again, I will do a weekly update on this so you guys can know, but of course you will be seeing it because y'all know how I feel about hair. You know, I recycle, so okay? So, so I will be doing the weekly update. You guys, while you're here, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You already made it this far, plus you see something in me you like. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I love you guys, and thank you so much for rocking with me. Oh, I should kiss my hand that time.